Reservation Senior Agents. The senior reservation agents supervise and coordinate activities of workers engaged in serving seat space for passengers of scheduled airline. Ticketing Clerk. The ticketing clerk compiles and records information to assemble airline tickets for transmittal or mailing to passengers, reads code data on booking card to ascertain destination carrier, flight numbers, type of accommodation, and en route stopovers. Flag Clerk. The aircraft flag clerk keeps records of usage and time intervals between inspection and maintenance of designated airplane. Airport Attendant. The airport attendant periodically inspects buildings and Airport Attendant. The airport attendant periodically inspects buildings and hangars to detect fire hazard and violation of airport regulation. Flight Information Expediter. The Flight Information Expediter determines Flight Information Expediter. The Flight Information Expediter determines flight times of airplanes and transmit information to flight operation of air traffic command centers, evaluates data such as weather condition, flight plans, ramp delays, and en route stopovers to determine arrival and departure time. Airport Manager. The airport manager plans, directs, and coordinates subordinate personnel activities and concerned with construction, maintenance of airport facilities, and operation. Chief Airport Guide. The Chief Airport Guide supervise and coordinate activities of engaged in conducting guide tours of airport, arrange tour according interest of groups such as school children, foreign visitors, and civil organizations, schedules tours to avoid interruption of airport and minimize congestion, and assign workers to guide tours. Traffic Agent. The traffic agent solicits freight business from industrial, commercial firms and passenger travel business from travel agencies, schools, and other organizations. Explain available routes, land limits. Travel agencies. The travel agency is a legally appointed agent representing the principal in a certain geographic area. The agency acts as a broker and brings the buyer-seller together for the other suppliers, such as hotel, car rentals, ground operators, and tour companies. Travel Agent. The travel agents plans itineraries and arrange accommodations and travel service for customers of travel agents. Converse with customers to determine destination, mode of transportation, travel dates, financial consideration, and accommodation required. Travel Information Center Supervisor. The Travel Information Center Supervisor supervises and coordinates activities of workers engaged in greeting and welcoming motorists at state highway information such as directions, route conditions, and vehicular travel regulations. Operator. The tour operator is the wholesale agent of the travel industry. The primary function of the wholesaler is the design of tours and travel package on a large scale, marketing this package to the retail travel agent and the major airline carriers. This information assistant. The tourist information assistant provides information and other service to a tourist at an information center, assists tourists in the itineraries and advise them of traffic regulation, and gives information restored historical sites, scenic areas, and other tourist tourist attractions. Guide. The tour guide escort visitors around the city of town, describes point of interest along the route of tour using public address system of megaphone, may collect fares or tickets and plan refreshment and rest stops, and may be required to speak a foreign language when communicating with the foreign visitors. Hotel and motels. Manager of a hotel or motel, he or she manager of a hotel or motel to ensure efficient and profitability operation, establish standards for personnel administration and performance. Lodging facility manager, he or she manage and maintains temporary or permanent lodging facilities such as small apartment house, small hotels, trailer parks, and boat marinas. Purchase suppliers and arrange out for outside service such as fuel delivery, laundry, maintenance, and repair. Hotel clerk, he or she performs a combination of duties for guests of hotels, motels, motor lodge, or condominium hotels, registers and assign rooms to guests, issues rooms keys, transmit and receives message. Representative, he or she conducts representatives of government, business, and social groups to solicit business for hotels, motels, or resorts. Select prospective customers by receiving information concerning functions such as sales meeting, conventions, training classes, or routine travel by organization members.